Welcome to the Life Coach Office Training Room. In this video, you will learn how to use the library. We are in our training system and we're simply going to click on the icon for the library. Now, in our training system, we already have things built out. So there are many different folders and items in the library just to show you what you can do. Now, you can upload all kinds of things to your library. You can have MP4s, you can have PDFs, you can have Word documents, you can have pictures. You can also create folders. You can do all sorts of things with it. Now, what do you put in the library? It's one of the questions I receive most often about the library area. And the truth is, anything you want. You can think of it like this. Think of it, I tell people to think of it like a public library. People go to it as a resource to obtain the things that they need. So your clients who are coaching with you, they may not know all of the different things that you are a subject matter expert on. So I would throw a little bit of all these different things in there so that when they click on the library tab, and we all know that they will because it's right up here, right? When they click on the library tab, they have some things to go in and to be able to see in the library. If you are coaching them, maybe you're coaching them on how to balance their finances, but they don't know that you're a tax expert. Maybe you're showing them how to search for a job, but they have no idea that you are a human resources guru. So it's a great place for you to put a lot of information about a few different things so that they have an idea of some other things. It prompts them to speak to you about certain things. The other thing that you might want to do with this area is that if you have a blog or a newsletter of some type, maybe you want to get a PDF of those things and put them here so that your clients can actually see them. Here, as you see, there's a folder for the Awesome Newsletters Library. And in it are, newsletters from, all the months past. The other thing that you definitely want to use this for, if nothing else, you want to use it as a folder for you to keep all of the types of coaching documents that you may use with your clients. I'm talking specifically about maybe assessments, right? So I have this coded with number 1, number 2, because the moment you put that number sign, it's going to push that folder up to the front. All right. This is the Welcome to Coaching folder. Everyone has access to that because it is a Welcome to Coaching. And when you go into it, there's a life evaluator assessment, a work-life balance quiz. There's a document on confidence. You can put anything you want in there. Here's my thought to you. If you were coaching, what kind of documents would you want to see in the Welcome to Coaching folder? That might be the only folder that your client has access to, which brings me to another thing. You can have put accesses to your folders just the way you put access to your classrooms, your courses, right? So you just right click and you click edit, and here it'll list every group that you've created, and you decide who can see it. Is it only for you? Is it for all your clients? Is it for all your clients, maybe except for a particular group? I don't know. Completely up to you. You make the decision. Now, if you're wondering how to create the folders, here we are. So we're here in the library. You simply right click, create a new folder, give it a name, best folder ever. Right? And for now, I only want the coach to view it because there's nothing in it. And the moment that I give everyone access, as with everywhere in Life Coach Office, you give everyone access, they can immediately see it. And if they see it before you've added anything to it, they're going to think something is wrong. So I'm going to leave it as only coach can view for now and create it, right? Once you create it, the folder is instantaneously there. See, best folder ever. As you can see, the folders are in alphabetical order. These items that you see right here, these items are not in a folder, and that's the reason why they're there. The items that are not in the folder come just after anything with a number. Then you have your folders. Okay. You can copy and things from one folder to another. You can cut things out and paste them in other places. If you want to, you could delete folders, you can upload documents, and let's just do for our best folder ever. Let's add something. Okay, you're going to add a file, and when you add a file, it's simply going to go directly to your computer and allow you to pull whatever file you want. So we are going to, let's see, where do I have some things here? Let's just go here. Here we go. And we're just going to add one of the freebies from Life Coach Office in this. And we're going to start the upload, and just like that, it's there. It's very, very simple. All right, so now it's there. And now that I have something there, I don't mind going in and editing it and allowing all of my clients to have access to it. That's it. It is that simple. That is your library. I hope you found this helpful. As always, what we say here at Life Coach Office, happy coaching.